Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 5-product face, which I haven't done in a while in this channel. I think it was one of my very first videos I uploaded back in 2013. I'll link it down below. It's an old video. I recently did like a take on it. Well, I did a shorter version of that video up on IGTV. But yeah, I haven't revisited that concept on my channel in years. And I just wanted to do the challenge again. Not that it's that hard for me, but I don't know, felt like doing this, so let's get started. So for my base, I'm going to be using the Cover FX Power Play Concealer. I use the shade G Light 1. You guys know that I often tend to use concealer in place of foundation, so for me this is not much of a challenge. I actually love this concealer all over the face. I tend to reach for it a lot, and the applicator is huge, so it's perfect for that. So I'm just gonna dot it. Then I'm just gonna use my brush to blend it out. I'm also gonna take the excess right across my eyelid just to even things out. Yeah, this looks a lot better. So now that I'm done, I can still see a few blemishes peeking through, so I'm just gonna go over those areas. Now for blush, I'm going to be reaching for this guy. This is from the Organic Skin Co. And this color, I don't know the color name, but I will write it on the screen for you. But it's this beautiful kind of like magenta shade. It's very bright. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on my finger and just apply it on my face, and then I'm gonna use my trusty e.l.f. stipple brush. This is actually one of my newer blushes from the Organic Skin Co. Well, cheeky lips, because you can also use it on your lips. But yeah, I picked this one up on Memorial Day. I think it was Memorial Day or Labor Day, I forgot. It's a new addition. That color just spoke to me. You guys know. I'm also gonna take a little bit of this same cheeky lip and I'm going to apply it on my eye. I just want to see how much to apply. I'm just gonna go for a very blushy look. I'm also applying just a little bit over here just to connect the blush with the eyeshadow. I actually haven't done that, but I like the look. And also while we're at it, I'm also going to be applying this on my lips. For my brows, I'm going to use the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel, which I tend to use a lot. I'm just gonna try to lighten my brows a little bit. I feel like I might have to tint them again with hair dye, but I just feel so lazy. I want to see if this would give me good freckles. Let's see. Well, there's no product there. I'm just gonna use a tiny brush and I'm gonna just dot on some freckles. It's actually working really well. I could very well use the Dip Brow Gel as eyeliner, but one of my 5 products is an eyeliner. This is the Bare Minerals One Fine Line eyeliner in the shade True Navy, which is a navy a navy shade, and I'm going to just line the eye. And this is the micro tip liner, so you can get really close to the lashes. If you struggle getting a thin line, like this is the eyeliner for you, you just have to twist up very, very little, otherwise it will break. But you can get right near the lashes, and it has a waterproof formula, well, water resistant formula. It's a really nice one actually. Should I wing it? Let's wing it a little bit. It's also very easy to wing this eyeliner out. You know, you always start lining your eye and one eye will be completely fine and then everything goes downhill in the second eye. This one's a little bit thicker, but I guess I just have to match them up now. I had to turn off the camera to fix the liner, and I also added a double wing. So you can see, doop, doop, doop. Just to, I don't know, shake things up, make it a little bit more interesting. So we're pretty much almost done. Like the only thing we have to do is just add mascara, and I'm using the Wander Beauty Mile High Club mascara. It's one of my favorites. I recently used it in my female founded video, my full face video. So yeah, I'm gonna use it again. I'm gonna apply quite a lot of mascara because I just like a lot of mascara on my upper and lower lashes. If your eyebrows are as dark as mine and you don't have light hair like I do right now, you can also apply just whatever's left on the brush on your eyebrows very, very lightly. I've done that before. It works. I have to be completely honest. I love the way this turned out. I think it's the blush. The blush is what I'm loving. But yeah, this was created with only 5 makeup products. We got 1, we got 2, we got 3, we got 4, we got 5. 5 makeup products and 2 brushes. 3 brushes. Which, I mean, not that bad. Not that bad. Oh my god. I love this blush color. Is just so nice. And I love the way that the eyeshadow connects with the blush. Like, it just makes it look so, I don't know. It looks so adorable. I look so adorable. All right. So let me know how I did in the comments below, and let me know if you would try creating a look using 5 products. And if you check out the first video that I made back in 2013, comment on it or let me know what you thought of it, because yeah, that was such a long time ago. So if you're brand new, take a moment to subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!